In this example, we are required to add two fractions together and then simplify wherever we can. Now, when we add fractions, we can only do that if the two denominators are the same. So, for example, we can do 1/2 plus 1/2. We can add them together and we can write this as 1 plus 1/2, which is of course the same as 2/2. But we can do that only when these denominators are the same. But what if they are not the same? What if they are different, like in this case? Well, what we can do in this case is we can use what I call the kiss and smile method. Let me indicate this, the kiss and smile method. So here is a kiss and we have a smile. So what does that mean? Let me write this down. We've got -6/-10, and we want to add this to -6/3. Now let's do the kiss, and the kiss means we multiply. So we multiply, we get -6 times 3. So that's the first part of the kiss. Now we do the second part of the kiss, plus we have -6 times -10. So that's what we have in the numerator. And what have we got in the denominator? We've got the smile here. We've got -10 times 3. So that's the kiss and smile method. And now we need to do the calculations. What have we got here? So -6 times 3, that's the first part. That gives us -18. I just put a bracket in so that we see where this comes from. Plus, we've got -6 times -10. So -6 times -10 gives us +60. And in the denominator, we have -10 times 3, that gives us -30. So when we now calculate, we have -18 plus 60, which is the same as 60 take away 18, so we would get 42 over -30. And of course, we can simplify this a little bit, and that is where the factorization comes in quite handy, because we can factorize the numerator. So factorizing the numerator, we can divide that by 2. So 42 is the same as we divided by 2. Then we've got 21 left, and I'll write it here. And 21 we can write as 3 times 7. So that is the numerator factorized, and we can do the same thing for the denominator. We can factorize it. We have a negative, so it will be -1 times, we can divide that by 2/30, so that is 2, that will be 15 here, and 15 can be written as 3 times 5. So we've factorized, and what we can do now is we can cancel out the factors 2 and 2 and 3 and 3, and what we've got left is 7 over -5, and we can write this in a slightly different form. We can write this as -7 over 5. And this is actually how you can do the addition of two fractions. Remember, we use the kiss and the smile method for this task. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.